Alright. Garrett's playing with knives again.
Yep.
Heat safety first. He always uses it in a manner that will stab him. Don't stab through the box.
I'm trying to stab through the
Kemosabe.
like...
You're stabbing it like Psycho, like the movie. I know what this is, I'm pretty sure, but it says VS Racing on it, so I know what it is. But figured we'd open it together.
This knife sucks.
Yeah.
Oh, yay. Peanuts.
You gotta get this side. Oh, yay, peanuts. It's a box of peanuts. You gotta cut this side.
No.
Hey, look, it snowed in Florida this year, guys. Yay for snow. Florida snow.
We got a paper.
I got VS. Intercooler and piping kit. Let's see what we got. Tons and tons of peanuts.
Man.
Peanuts are my favorite. And it's fun too, because the more they break off, the more they stick to you and everything they touch.
They already stick to you.
Peanuts are awesome. There's got to be something better in the packing industry than peanuts.
Wrapping paper. Not wrapping paper, but...
I was thinking of old junk newspapers, but anything would work. Okay, pull that box out carefully so it don't rain in Florida again.
It's going to.
It probably is.
Shake off the box.
So that must be a core.
Oh, there's another one.
Wait, that might be piping and this might be a core. Yeah, this is the intercooler. That's heavy. Send it back.
Just 40 pounds.
Weighs too much. Happy birthday to the Camaro.
You've had it well over 10 years.
Yeah, well, it's 10 years is a long time. It's time for it to have a birthday. Camaro hasn't had a birthday ever. Alright, go ahead.
Got everything on.
Yeah, as far as I can get, yeah, for the most part. Okay. Now I think good. This is just a play box for the kitty cat. Alright. Peanuts. Pick up peanuts.
A bunch.
Mom said she's coming home to clean, so I'm sure she won't appreciate all the added peanuts. Whoops. Whoopsie. The peanuts poopsied on the floor.
Alright, now I got find the knife.
What'd you do with it?
I sat it down somewhere.
Right here. That's open. I think you can just lift that up. Ta-da!
And then we put it over the cat.
This is the 4-inch thick core. I know guys with F-bodies have used this one before in the past pretty easily.
Definitely heavy.
Yeah, definitely 4 inches. Adds about the weight difference of a aluminum block to a steel block, so might as well go steel block if you're putting one of these on the front of your car.
That's true.
Weight at this point is not a concern. Barred plate. Ooh. It's got 3-inch inlets.
And then I think those are
That's shiny.
Needs to go off to...
To mount it, they got some on the top too. Flip it over, there'll be some on the other side too. Shiny. That's how it goes in the car. With the tubes at the bottom.
Like that.
Gonna be adding a lot of weight to the old pig. Hopefully it's worth it. I don't know if this boost stuff makes power or not. I've never owned a boosted car in my life. I haven't. Yeah, I did. I lied. I meant to say I never owned a boosted car in my life because I've never had a boosted car. But I did have that Eclipse before when you came around.
Yeah.
So I did have a boosted car. I was trying to make it funny because all I've had is boosted trucks. Wasn't even funny because I did have a boosted car. So this is the piping kit, and I haven't seen what pipes come in this kit. So I am kind of curious to see what this has in it. That's a big box of piping.
Looks like...
Is that a 4-to-3 adapter coupler? That adapter coupler right there on top.
Where?
Right here. In that thing in your hand. Flip that over. No, it's not. It was just sandwiched. They're all 3-inch. Alright, so it looks like they went through the trouble of beveling the edges on all the tubing.
Yep.
So this is like a DIY clamp it and stuff.
All your clamps.
We're going to be welding all this, so. That's cool though. It's all polished. So you get two.
That's
Comes with clamps. So you got two 180s, which we definitely need one. That gets it from around the turbo to the intercooler. You got two 45s,
two straights,
two 90s, two straights, and a whole bunch of couplers. And we'll probably only use like two of those. One at the turbo and one at the intercooler, and one at the intercooler to go up to the motor. And then we'll have to get a 3.9 inch to 3 inch for the throttle body. Cool. That's a pretty good kit. I like it. You like it?
Yep. I think the cat does also.
Cat likes it?
Yep.
Kitty cat approved? What you think, Meow Mix? Is that cool or what? Oh my god, you got 2 bags of clamps.
Yeah.
Holy clamps for days. Guys, they sent $100 in clamps in this thing.
You might get some money back.
I guess if you need a tubing kit, I guess VS Racing is the cheap way to go, because this was only $350 for the 4-inch bar and plate and the intercooler kit, both on a Black Friday sale, and it came with all this for $350. That's can't beat that price. Not for a 4-inch core.
Yeah.
Sweet. I'm happy. Camaro, are you happy? Yeah, I'm happy. Oh, you can't hear the Camaro talk. It's outside. All right. Now we got to clean up popcorn.
Yep.
You want to say bye again?
Bye-bye.